Hello viewers, welcome to my channel for COVID updates. We have been hearing many things and news about COVID almost every minute nowadays. A well-known fact about COVID patients is the people who get sick, severely sick, found to have a severe lung damage. But what we don't know is doctors are also seeing patients with different symptoms like seizures, hallucinations, loss of appetite, smell, and taste. So, doctors and researchers are slowly realizing that its reach is extending to other parts of the body. Let's see how it is affecting other organs of the body.
Let's see how the infection begins. When an infected person expels virus-laden droplets and someone else inhales them, the novel coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2 enters the nose and throat. The new coronavirus latches its spiky surface proteins to receptors on healthy cells, especially those in your lungs. Specifically, the viral proteins burst into lungs through ACE2 receptors. ACE2 receptors is the host cell receptor responsible for mediating infection by SARS-CoV-2. Once inside, the coronavirus hijacks healthy cells and takes command. Eventually, it kills some of the healthy cells. Blood vessels damaged in the war between the virus and immune system may begin leaking fluid into lung tissues, which can be visible as white spots on chest X-rays. The fluid may drown some of the lungs' tiny air sacs, preventing them from delivering oxygen to the blood and removing carbon dioxide. It is this kind of inflammation and destruction that is called pneumonia.
The lungs aren't the only target. The coronavirus also has the ability to latch onto, hijack, and destroy kidney cells, which could result in kidney failure. Let us talk about the brain now. Some people with COVID-19 briefly lose consciousness. Others have strokes. Many report losing their sense of smell. Doctors are trying to understand which are directly caused by the virus. ACE2 receptors are present in the neural cortex and brain stem, but it's not known under which circumstances the virus penetrates the brain and interacts with these receptors.
This is a scan of brain of a 58-year-old woman with COVID-19 developed encephalitis, which is an inflammation of the brain caused by infection, resulting in tissue damage. Also, on April 3rd, a case study from a team in Japan reported traces of new coronavirus in the cerebrospinal fluid of a COVID-19 patient who developed meningitis and encephalitis, suggesting it too can penetrate the central nervous system.
See how it is affecting the stomach. A recent study supports that 20% of the patients are experiencing diarrhea. Patient reports and biopsy suggest that the virus can infect the lower intestine, which is rich in ACE2 receptor. In support of this statement, in early March, a 70-year-old Michigan woman returned from a Nile River cruise with bloody diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Initially, doctors suspected she had a common stomach bug such as salmonella. But after she developed a cough, doctors took a nasal swab and found her positive for the novel coronavirus.
Let's see how it affects the heart and blood vessels. The virus, which is in green, enters cells, likely including those lining blood vessels, by binding to ACE2 receptors on the cell surface. Infection can also promote blood clots, heart attacks, and inflammation of the heart. With all this information, we can say that this disease can attack almost anything in the body with devastating consequences.
So, viewers, the only prevention that we have right now is staying home and wear mask if you go outside to help reduce the spread of infection. Thank you for watching it. Please like, share, and subscribe.